Maybe you're pregnant for the first time and you are terrified of tearing down below, or you've had a baby or two, but the experience was really, really traumatic. So you've been looking into ways to reduce perineal tears, and of course you've come across perineal massage, and you've been reading about how for first-time parents, it can lessen the severity of the perineal tear and it can reduce your risk of an episiotomy. And for people who have already had a baby, it can reduce your perineal pain at 3 months post-delivery. Then in reading about it, you immediately thought, how am I going to reach around my pregnant belly to access that area? Or I'm not comfortable asking my partner to help. Say hello to Perimom. So if you're thinking about doing perineal massage, you can start around 34 to 36 weeks, but it's always best to talk to your provider before you start anything new in your pregnancy. And with those thoughts of how am I going to reach around my pregnant belly, Perimom has got you covered because it's basically an arm extender. When we're talking about perineal massage, the idea is to stretch out the tissues of the back wall of the vagina. So if this is your vagina, this is the hole on top where the pee comes out, and this down here is your bum, then this is going to be the back wall of the vagina. And you are going to take a thumb or 2 fingers, I prefer a thumb, make sure that they are clean and lubricated, and you're going to insert them down into the back wall, and with gentle pulling pressure, you're going to make a U-shaped motion to stretch out those tissues. Now, perineal massage should not hurt, it should just be very gentle, and you can do this 3 to 5 times a week for up to 5 minutes each session. Now, the cool thing about Perimom, take a look at the shape of Perimom and take a look at the shape of your thumb. If you notice any similarities, you would be right. Perimom basically allows you to use this apparatus in place of your thumb, but you have extended your reach. So with Perimom, I take my thumb and I replace it with the product, and I do the exact same motion on the back wall of the vagina to get the same effects that perineal massage is supposed to give you. We talked about the importance of lubrication. Perimom has got you covered in that as well. This is their sweet almond oil. It's a really nice lubricant. It's not super sticky. It lasts a really, really long time. Has a very gentle, sweet smell to it, and the Perimom itself actually has an area that you can insert the lube so that you don't have to get your hands all dirty. You simply squirt a couple of squirts of lubrication into the Perimom, and it flows right down to where you need it. Okay, Perimom is not going to solve the world's problems, but it is going to solve your reach problems.